Ever feel like you've been spinning your wheels trying to shed those stubborn pounds? Or perhaps you've tried a dozen different diets, but none seem to stick? The struggle with dieting and weight loss is a common one, and you are far from alone in this journey. Enter the custom keto diet, a revolutionary approach designed to transform the way you perceive food, health, and physical fitness. This isn't a one-size-fits-all diet plan. No, this is a customized solution tailored to your unique body, goals, and dietary preferences to help you become the best version of yourself. The custom keto diet operates on the principle of a ketogenic diet, a low-carb, high-fat diet that's been praised for its many health benefits. The key to this diet is to get your body into a state of ketosis, where it begins to burn fat for energy instead of carbohydrates. It's a simple concept, but the results can be astounding. Now you might be thinking, but I've tried diets before and they never work. This is where the custom keto diet comes into play. This plan takes into account your food preferences, lifestyle, exercise level, and more to create a diet plan that fits you perfectly. It's like having a personal nutritionist at your disposal, crafting a meal plan just for you. Picture this, a diet that doesn't feel like a diet. A plan that includes mouth-watering meals from snacks and appetizers to main dishes, drinks, and even desserts. Yes, desserts. This is the beauty of the custom keto diet. Every meal is designed to keep you within the ketogenic zone while satisfying your taste buds and keeping you full and nourished. The custom keto diet is more than just a diet. It's a lifestyle change, a commitment to improving your health and well-being. And the best part, you don't have to navigate this journey alone. With ongoing support and guidance, you'll have all the tools you need to succeed. So, are you ready to say goodbye to the endless cycle of dieting and hello to a healthier, happier you? Then dive into the custom keto diet and start your journey towards a better you. For more information on how the custom keto diet can transform your life, click the link below or scan the QR code at the end of this video. Don't just dream about achieving your health and fitness goals, make them a reality with the custom keto diet. And before you go, don't forget to hit that like button. Your support means the world to us. Thank you for watching. Here's to a healthier, happier you.